Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have the hood open on the XJ. So if you did not know, when we bought this XJ, we got it for $1,000 and it had a MisFire, only at idle. It runs great otherwise. So we went out, bought some spark plugs, and now that I'm looking at it, that tire looks flat. All those tires need some air in them. So, but we got 6 spark plugs, and where's the spacer at? And the spacer, so you can, or the gap, whatever they call it, so we can get these bad boys in and see if it fixes the MisFire issue. But we're gonna let her do most of the work, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. So I'm just gonna include this so I don't forget. This one goes to the back. This one goes here. So 6, 5. This one is 4. This one is 3. This one is 2, and this one is 1. So I just got the first one out, and it's a little dirty and smells a lot like gasoline. So we have to space this one, or gap that one, and then I'll put that one back in because that one was a really pain. That one was a pain in the butt to get out, and then she can do the rest of them. Sound good?
How do you space them?
We'll Google search it.
Oh. It's already not coming out. Is it tightening or loosening?
No, it's off. Now, if you take this off, take this off, the whole thing, yeah. And then put this on. You can just spin it with your fingers, it'll be faster. Is it out?
I think so.
Go, where'd it go? It's not focusing. Camera focus. Whatever. Put it back on there, make sure it didn't go past.
It's hard.
Yeah, and you gotta be slow. Yep. That's good. Pull it off. Now put it in.
You said it goes in this way?
Yep. Drop it in that hole right there. You don't need to twist it, just drop it in. And then put the socket back on there without the wrench. And then twist it so you can't twist no more. Put that on there. You just turn the thing.
Turn what thing? This thing?
Yep. And don't get it super tight. Just a little bit. Right there. And put the cap back on. See me do it?
Yeah.
You got it. It's on.
I don't want to get water in the spark plug.
It's on. There you go. Now you changed your first spark plug.
Yeah,
4 more to go. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
What's it at?
0.35.
There you go.
Do you want to check it?
I believe you. You're Jeep. You
I'd
got
really
it.
like you to check
All
it,
right.
just in case.
All right. Give me a second. Cylinder 1. Cylinder 2. Cylinder 3. Cylinder 1 looks very clean. It smells like gas. I'm enjoying you working on your own Jeep.
Yeah, you finally taught me something.
What's that supposed to mean? I teach you stuff all the time.
No, usually you get mad at me when I ask you to teach me something.
Oh, bullshit. I'm cutting that out of the video. Don't break it.
Break what?
Don't tighten it in there too hard.
It's not even tightened. I just can't get this in.
Clearly, I didn't teach you that part right.
Yeah, obviously.
Shouldn't be that hard to put it in the hole.
I put it on backwards or something? We only have 3 left?
Yep. 6 in a row, make her go.
Oh, I think I closed it too far. You might have to help.
Well, all I did was pull off some caps and change cylinder 1. Madeline changed the rest of the 5. And here they all are. This was the one that came from cylinder 1, which would be causing our misfire. But let's start it up and see if it has a misfire.
To do it.
As you can tell, I got my hair cut from the last clip. It's been a little bit since I recorded those videos, but that's going to wrap up this video. I just want to show you guys one last thing before you go. All right, so take 2 on this because I started rambling on. The last clip was 2 minutes long. I'm going to restart, make it fast. So if you guys are interested in following, I have a gaming channel on YouTube, Just Average Gaming. I'm my only subscriber. Haven't uploaded anything in 2 years. And let me open up on this side. My Twitch channel where I will live stream at is Just Average __. 5 followers there. I'm one of them, so 4 other people. So basically, I built this PC to record video game stuff, to live stream video game stuff. I do a lot of that in my spare time. I also got the GoPro to work again, so my last off-road video, all the editing I did happened on this PC. And if you're interested in what I used, I paid for the Movavi video editor. That's where I edited at. Now, if you go and follow my YouTube gaming channel, I'll be doing like a lot of racing game stuff. So a lot of car related stuff still, a lot of Call of Duty stuff. Who doesn't like Call of Duty and shooting games? And I will be doing some off-road video games. I started playing this one, downloaded some Jeep Cherokee stuff on this one. So once I have my setup like officially done within the next 2 or 3 weeks, I will start uploading to that channel. So it'll be awesome if you guys start following my Just Average Gaming channel on YouTube and or following my Just Average __ live streaming channel. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to this page, Universal Off-Road, where we do real life off-road stuff, real life Jeep stuff, a lot of Jeep stuff. But that's going to do it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.